Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Kuromi as a unicorn. So let's get started. To draw this cute Sanrio rabbit, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So we're going to come right here and basically draw a U. So I'm going to come right down here, come down, and go around. And when I come up, I'm going to stop a little bit shorter than the top. Than this side where I started. And that's because I want to come about right here, and we're going to just connect it with a curve, a slight curve, to finish it off. And then this will be her lash right here. So you're going to thicken this part up. And then add another lash about right here. And then shade everything in. There. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to use this as my guide. Come across for a point. So let's say about right here, about this wide. And I'm going to go ahead and draw the same thing. So come down, about right there. And we're going to go up a little bit higher and then connect with a slight slant. And another lash. There. So now that I'm looking at it, this eye is a lot bigger, right? But that's an easy fix. Don't worry. We're going to come out here. Just got a little too big on that side. So let's see, about right here. Make it a little bit thicker. There. I think we're almost the same size now. Just as long as we're close. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come in between each eye, and right by the center right here, I'm going to lightly draw a little oval for a nose. There. And then right underneath this nose, we're going to put a curve for a sweet smile right underneath. Go up and then cap it off. There. Then now that we have that, now we have to draw the face. So it's a big oval. So let's see here. That's an easier way. Let's come to the top of this point right here at the eye, and I'm going to come out about right here. Just give myself a point on both sides. So say about right here. I'm just going to draw the opening of the hoodie. So I'm going to come right here, and we're going to go around. And same thing here, go around, just going around the eye. And then from there, let's see here. Let's say I want to bring this curve down. So I'm going to find my center to about right here. Just kind of how far I want the chin area to be. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve to connect. So it's going to flatten out as we come to the bottom. So definitely turn your paper or your body, whatever you need to do to draw this curve. And we're going to bring it there and connect. There. This is always the most delicate part. So I'm going to smooth this curve out a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have the shape, we're going to come back to the top right here in the center and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and just imagine this is a big oval for the opening, but we have to draw the unicorn snout. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'll just go ahead and just, it's easier for my hand, so I'm just saying about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval. Right in the center. That's going to come back to that point right there and connect there. So right in the center, you want this Okay, now that we have that, I'm going to come back in here and just draw 2 little ovals for the nostrils. And then we can go ahead and finish off this curve towards the side, let's say about right there. So let's bring this up and in. So kind of like the center of your oval on the other side. So if you're using a pencil at home, it would be a lot easier if you just went ahead and just drew her face shape right here, this big oval, and then put in this smaller oval right in the center. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to thicken everything up now. So about right here, I'm going to drag a curve around. So we're starting to draw the hoodie. So we're just going to go around and just imagining how high I want it. So let's say about the center, about right here. Just going to give myself a point. And I'm just going to go ahead and go around to create my dumpling shape. So it's going to be a little bit narrower as we come to the top. And come up to my point in there. And then same thing on this side. And bring it all the way. Yay, that was just like the hardest part. Most delicate part. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back over here before I forget. Next to this big oval, I'm going to come right here and draw the eyes of our unicorn and add in 3 lashes. And same thing over here. There. And then now we can draw this part where in the center where it's a bow. So we're going to draw a little skull. So right in the center, I'm going to come about right here. And here, I'll just give myself 2 little lines, and then I'm going to go up and around to draw this ovalish shape for a skull head. And pop it out a little bit more towards the bottom. And then you can come in here with 2 little lines for the teeth part and then the eyes. So I'm going to come to the sides right here. Just kind of draw this slanty oval for the eye socket. Then from there, let's draw the loops on our bow. So I'm going to come about right here and we're going to go up, in, and 1 more. So same thing here. This is my favorite part of the drawing actually. I just find this part is so cute. And a little bow. I'm going to come right here and draw 2 little curves for some detail. Then let's find our center once again, and we're going to go up, say to about right here. And I'm going to round it off and come down for our horn. And let's draw in some curves for some detail for our horn. And then we still need to put in a unicorn ear. So right about here, we're going to tuck in a little unicorn ear. Right there, and then draw the inside. And same thing here. So say about right here, just like the other side. Round it off and in. From there, let's go ahead and draw Kuromi's ears. So we're going to come, like say about right here, and I'm going to draw an angle line. And we're going to go up. So nice and high. So let's go ahead. We're going to angle this up. And another angle right here. We're just going to tuck it in to the ear. And then right here on the tip, we're going to put in a circle. Yay. Okay, so same exact thing on the other side. So just drag some points across if you're drawing big. It just helps a lot. So right here. And once again, we're just going to draw an angle coming out, just like the other side, about right there. And we're going to use this as our guide. We're going to come up Let's drag this point across so we know approximately how far to go. About right there. And then in this space, just going to connect it with another line. And then a circle on the top. There. Okay, got the ears in, yay. So now to draw the little body. So we're gonna come about right here, underneath the eye, and we're gonna draw this jester collar. So we're gonna come right there with a curve, right there with another curve, nice and centered. And we're going to come right here with one. And in the center, we're going to draw a curve right there and another one there. So notice I don't connect it. It's because in the space, I'm going to draw a circle. And here as well. And one, two more. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to come about right here and just draw a soft angle line for the body. And then let's come for the legs. So in our center area, say about right here and about right here, I give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw curve down for the legs. So this is just like the Hello Kitty version. Just gonna have the legs, front legs hanging out right here. So let's come back right about here. Same curve and then round it off and connect. So same thing over here, about the same thickness. Round it off and connect. Then we're gonna come right here, cut it off for the hoof. Now whatever space you have left, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So then in this area, we're going to draw a circle. So let's come about right here. That touches the front leg for the back hoof. There, and then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and connect. So same thing over here. So about right here. Draw a big circle. There, and connect. Okay, so then from there we're going to add some hearts. So I'm going to come on the hoof right here and draw a heart. And another one going this way on this one. So I can make it my Draw So Cute Kuromi unicorn from Sanrio. And oh, I almost forgot. So now that we're done with that, I need to draw a tail, right? So I thought it'd be really cute we just add Kuromi's original tail. So I'm gonna pop that out right here. And add a arrow. There, and that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this Kuromi unicorn just as much as all the other ones I've drawn so far. I drew a Hello Kitty unicorn and then also a cinnamon roll unicorn. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite so far and if you want me to draw more. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.